Hi everybody, Dr. Chilemi here from Health and Spine Wellness Center. How are you today? So today I'm going to talk a little bit about shoulders. If you're having shoulder pain, if you can't bring your arm up, if it hurts, if you bring your arm up and you get a stabbing pain here, something we can work with. If you're bringing your arm up and you can't comb your hair, you have problems turning, you can't put your arm around the back, if you can't do certain motions because of pain in your shoulder, it could be from a few different things. First thing it could be from, you could have a rotator cuff problem, meaning some of the muscles on top of the joint are either irritated, tears, could be some spurs from one of the top of your bones pinching in there, could be from a lot of different things. So what we like to tell patients is, come on in, let us do a full evaluation, let us check you out, let's see exactly what's going on, let's get to the root cause of why you're having the pain, why you're having limited motion, and what we can do to help. Here at the Health and Spine Wellness Center, we have full capabilities of evaluating you, treating you, and getting you back to function. So the whole point of doing everything we're going to do is to get you back to functioning. So if you're tired of not being able to comb your hair, can't put on your makeup, can't do anything above your head, we can't reach for the cups in the top shelf, anything like that you're having problems with, give us a call, 973-759-3020. We're here to help. The same question I'm going to ask you every time, is today the day? Is today the day you're going to say, I want more motion, I want to be able to do everything I normally used to do, but now I can only do this? Is today the day you say yes to starting your next tomorrow? Have a good day.